After 2.5 weeks of extreme heat, drought, and no rain whatsoever, we finally got rain. And the water totes started to fill back up, and the ground got some much needed saturation. It's only meant one thing. It was time to get back out into the yard, and I couldn't wait. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, make sure you click that subscribe button to stay up to date with everything that's going on in the backwoods. Alright, so something arrived this week, which I'm super excited about. I can't wait to test it out. And yeah, first one for me, so let's unbox this thing. Alright, see what we got. Yeah, look at that thing. My first ever battery powered sprayer. I can't wait to test this thing out. Alright, let's get it out of this box, see how it looks. Okay, so it's out of the box. Look at that. Man, I'm happy about this. Comes with the battery, charger, nozzles, and obviously the wand. It's a 4-gallon tank, which is probably way more than I need, but if I don't have to pump this thing, I'm pretty happy about that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge this battery, fill it up with a liquid fertilizer, and see how it goes. Don't forget, this is Canada, so it's not your typical fertilizer. It is a concentrate though, which I was extremely shocked to find. Alright, let's test it out. Okay, I got the BackPack sprayer all loaded up with the product I'm going to be using, which is this stuff. It is a root stimulator. I'm going to be throwing it down on the putting green. I'll go into a more in-depth thing on this product in a future video, but for now, I gotta test this thing out. So it's all primed. I've mixed it. It's ready to go. Let's go throw some of this down on the putting green, see how this thing does. Okay, I'm all loaded up. Let's go test it out. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I absolutely love this thing. And I don't want anyone getting on me about the PPE down in the comments. I'm safe enough. This is fine. Don't worry about it. Alright, but this thing actually does work awesome. It's easy to use. You just plug it in and go. You didn't have to, I didn't even read the manual. I just went and it worked fine. So I'm going to water this in because it is a root stimulant. Other than that, this thing is a big win for me. Okay, so my initial thoughts on the Chapin 24V BackPack sprayer is it is awesome. It's easy to use out of the box. I didn't read the manual. I just charged the battery, poured my solution in, and went. Easy, no issues. So I'm extremely happy with the purchase so far. It's completely worth the money, and I'm looking forward to using this bad boy in the future. Long term, not sure how it's going to go. Only time will tell. But until then, I love it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure you click that subscribe button to stay tuned, because I will be updating how this is going and everything else in the yard. This has been Backwoods. Have a good weekend.